So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Rafdom over here, and for today's video guys is actually the intro of In the Future. And the video that I did was past 2 to 3 weeks ago, and I forgot to edit it that time. And now I'm doing the intro again because the intro that I made from that video is kinda worse and it's kinda not the best thing that I did. And now I'm gonna redo the intro again so while I'm editing this video. So today's video guys is going to Subic with my family, to be honest. We're already complete and we are going to Subic, to the same place, same area, and we're gonna have fun, explore on Subic as usual, the same place, the same area, the same duty frees, the same to go place. So that's all what I'm going to say in this intro. But before we're going to start the video, I hope you guys really subscribe this channel, click the like button, click the comment down below so I know that you like this video or you have a suggestions in the next upcoming video. And click the notification bell so you know I posted a new video. So yun ang masasabi ko sa inyo guys, at let's roll the videos. We're in the stopover first in Patron Lake Shore. And hindi ako nag-CR kasi hindi ako naman ako naiihi. And this is my bag. Got my 2 playmats, a deck box inside. 2 deck box actually. Of course. I'm bringing this with me so I can open this on Subic to have a lock that my sister bought, and we're gonna have a lock to get better cards. Finally, I hope we get better cards inside. But yes, that's true. Let's see on the after Lake Shore. We're already finished eating lunch, early lunch to be honest, at freaking Plus. And now we're heading to somewhere else. I don't know where. In the room. Well, ito yung nakuha kong first box sa Shadow Milk Cookie, yung pinanood nyo. Ito yung mga nakuha natin sa box na yun, binuksan natin yan. So nakakuha tayo ng coupon code ng Red Shadow Milk Cookie. Nakapahikan sila para hindi random to. Nakuha nyo man yung unang random, i-mix natin. Random yan. 3, 2, 1, let's see what we got over here. We got Shadow Milk Cookie, Purple UR. One of my favorite Shadow Milk Cookie designs ever. Second favorite. Next we have, yes, SUR Shadow Milk Cookie. One of the most expensive card as well in this set, but not the most expensive one. Yes, the most expensive one is EXR and the Shadow Milk Cookie SER as well, the blue one. Next, we have Wind Archer Cookie SR. Not bad, I have that. Next, we have Dark Cacao Cookie SR. I don't have this card yet, but it's very cool design. Next, we have Candy Apple Cookie, one of the cool sidekicks of Shadow Milk Cookie. Next, Seljam Light of the Side SR. Wala pa ako nito, which is maganda din yan dahil yun yung mismo logo ni Shadow Milk Cookie. And now we have Shadow Milk Cookie UR. One of the prettiest designs ever I've seen. Ang ganda talaga. So yun yung mga nakuha natin dun sa isang box na yung binuksan natin, yung dinala ko. One of the best pulls ever, of course, is the SR, not gonna lie. But every UR I got is Shadow Milk Cookie. And that's true. Ah. Nakakamiss. Nasaan ba? Nasaan ba ba? No.
Cheese sticks. Okay, ano pa?
Nito. We're leaving at the game room. Lamig na yung speaker ko. Malamig na yung speaker ko.
Alam mo, sobrang busy yung batang yun. Oo. Dalawa na empleyado nga ni Udi. Si Jaime at magpapagod siya pag pupundahin. Dalawa empleyado niya ni si Jaime at si Austin.
Hindi, akala ko nagpunta lang kayo sa kabilang room.
Nagpunta na?
Kabilang room.
Pumunta ka pa sa amin. Kaya nalaman mo walang tao. Kanina talaga ang dami. Tumakbo nga ako, hindi ko ako dati mo. Takot ako eh.
Meron nga tanong sa puno. Ito. Ayan o.
Ayun na. Ang galing nila talaga mag-baging-baging. Ayun, baby, yung dami. Ang galing.
Bumaba na siya. I will cut the video here first and let's move on to going to the mall. So we don't waste any time. If you want to see the full video of seeing the monkeys, I will may not gonna post it here as well in YouTube. So don't worry about it. Living in a party trees, yeah. straight into when we got the price. Oh my days, it took a while. Yung Stranger Things talaga eh. Wala na tayong load ulit nito. For your information, the price that we want to get is the SpongeBob, not the Stranger Things. So we were shocked that we got Stranger Things, but we're gonna keep doing this game until we get the SpongeBob. So yeah, this is took a while. And finally, this happens.
May ball pa.
Ha? I-timing mo dun sa araw.
Oh, go, go.
Timing mo ulit sa may dilaw. Okay nga, hindi ko gagawin yun. Kaya naman niya.
Tulong ba?
Tanong taas na sa'yo. Yan, yung malakas. 6487. Mas mataas yung kay Kuya Neng. 6487 si Kuya eh. What the hell? Content yun? Nakakatawa ate.
Pag pina-upgrade mo. No, sabi ko gusto mo na, matagal mo nang gusto niyan eh. Eh, di
Ito
ba
na
wala
yung-
na dito sa Manila?
Ito na yung card mo.
Ayan na daw yung card.
Lumaki.
Lumaki na.
Lumaki.
Lumaki na siya. Ah!
May nakita kayo dito?
Wala.
Maganda.
Oh. Yan kasha. Magutom na tayo.
Tama, days may umiilaw.
Tayo ano, meron tayo kasama.
Minero. Minero.
Reflect yan.
Nakakahiya ka.
Ano yan?
Nahihiya ako. Kasi nahihiya ako dyan.
Uy, tinanggal mo, Rap!
Ano ko?
Yung harang namin ng database.
Ah,
Ano ba, pasok ko sa ilalim ng mama. Oh!
Oh! Bato kasi ng bato. Akin na yung binabato. Apo, ikaw. Mag-apply ako day only one.
Nag-gimbal ka, diba?
ha?
Nag-gimbal ka?
Simban?
Kailangan may dagat parati para mabilis na makaalis. Bilis din mo. Kaya lang di mo kapag may bigla tayong nakasalubong.
Pero parang wala naman kasi nakalagay na one way.
Meron may isa pang feel ka lang. Parang umangat siya. Magkakang kasi.
Wala yun yung isa. Pang fake ko nun. Pupunta na yun.
Yung malaki kahapon. Laki nun yun.
Ang laki nun eh. Yun, isang ganyan nun. Isang haba nun. Ang laki.
Paano makapasok yung road?
Gusto ko lang yung unang part eh. Kaya mo yan? Gusto na naman wala. Beat your wife na before someone else does. Ay, nako, yun na naman.
Ano naman natin? It's too hot.
Kick spring yung binili mo.
No, it's 50.
Uy, si Ice, oh. Hindi
Pag
mo
may
pala
nakita
dito.
kayo, Mama, na ano, yung sinend ko, yung Minecraft tsaka Spongebob.
Ah,
Hindi pala lahat ng Toys R Us meron.
okay.
Oh, it doesn't look like ano po.
Limited siya.
Akala ko naman nakita mo na yun.
Nakita ko nga.
Ba't di ka bumili?
Akala ko lahat ng Toys R Us meron.
Eh, saan ba nga? Saan mo nakita yun?
Sa Glorieta.
Nakagot naman, oh. Hindi kasi sanay.
Ay, ang galing.
World Cup.
Pwede ka lagay ng ice aha.
Ah.
Nag-Milo sila.
Paila. Ano daw?
Ininom na yung kanya. Sabi niya, mag-isa pa kaya ako para dito, sabi ko mag-overflow yan. Ay, ginawa ko na daw niya. Hindi na mag-overflow kasi naluan na ng Milo yung kape niya. Tapos, siya mo, nilinis na yung kape na yun. Sabi ko, bakit na kasi siya bumalik?
Pero ang ganda ng machine niya. Nami-measure niya talaga lahat. Tapos pwede ka maglagay ng sugar and yellow. Yun lang. Tsaka ano to, inuunahan niya muna yung maglalagay ng milk, ay yung Milo, tapos naglalagay siya ng gatas agad.
Sabi niya, umaapaw na. Sabi, oh no.
After niya sabi niya, oh no, sorry.
Naman doon.
Walang buya, walang matay.
Buti walang bantay.
Magugulat din siya. I know I said this is day 3, but for the past one day, as of day 4, me and my family did the puzzles of The Last Supper that we bought in Toys R Us as well. And it took us so much time that we love to extend in the Subic. So we extended to 5 to 6 days, I think. So here's the result. And the result is that we finish it perfectly fine and we place it in the perfect order in the box. So this is the end of the Subic adventure with my family. So of course it has been very great day on spending time and bonding and going anywhere else other than in Manila. And we already had so much fun on doing time zones, spending time on board games, playing games, talking to each other, doing the puzzles of course, and those other stuff. Me and my family have so much fun for these past 5 to 6 days in Subic again. And I wish that we're going to do this again in the future and of course having more fun than it is today. So as you can see, that the video I'm already showing is that we're already packing our stuff to go home. So I will make a outro over here after this part. So this is the end of the video, guys, on going to Subic with my family, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video on 5 to 6 days of extension in Subic. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget that you have to click the subscribe button, click the like button, click the comment down below so I know that you commented down and to enjoy this video or you have a suggestions. And click the notification bell so you know that I posted a brand new video upcoming after this video. Hey. So anyways guys, this is the end of the video and I hope you see you guys on the next adventure that we're going to do very soon. Not typically very soon. I'm going to post this another video of adventure very soon as well. So that's all about this video and see you guys in the next video of going to the adventure. Bye bye.